Cupcake is so good as well too. But I can't have anymore. It's too much. Other day I will eat it. Alright, girl. Alright, guys. Another 3 minutes ago, or less than 3 minutes, then I will really go. Thank you. Just give us a like, guys. Oopsie. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Alright, another 2 minutes. Wow. Thank you so much, everyone. Kapuna ka, guys. Thank you so much for watching the show. It can be really like quick live, but I can't believe it take it too long to do live. Hey, baby, you can't eat the chocolate, remember? No. Just the other stuff. Thank you for tuning in, Steph. You still there? To those anyone there, I'm gonna shout out to you guys. Alright, everyone. I don't know. I already passed 50. Okay, guys. Oh, well. I guess I will just live in 1 hour na lang. It's okay, though. It's okay with you guys. I just leave it there. Then I will just out 1 hour live. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna arrange this now, okay? A lot of coffee ko. I think think I will just give this away.